And on to more breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi has hailed Operation Sindoor. In fact, he's warned terror backers yet again in that straight-up statement where he said, "Chhedenge to chhodenge nahi." Clear message coming in from Prime Minister Modi against those who try to mess with India, where he said, "We will not spare anybody who backs terror or indulges against India." Let's listen in.
जो हमें छेड़ेगा अरे मैं जैनियों के कार्यक्रम में हूं। अहिंसावादियों के बीच हूं और अभी तो आधा वाक्य बोला हूं और आपने पूरा कर दिया।
And that's the clear message coming in from Prime Minister Modi yet again, where he said, "Chhedenge to chhodenge nahi." Prime Minister Modi reiterating that straight-up message to anyone who indulges in terror or tries to mess with India. Remember, after Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister Modi and all the top leaders of the BJP who have said this over and over again. This is the new India, and if you get on our wrong side, you will have to face the consequences. Listen into this statement once again.
जो हमें छेड़ेगा अरे मैं जैनियों के कार्यक्रम में हूं। अहिंसावादियों के बीच हूं और अभी तो आधा वाक्य बोला हूं और आपने पूरा कर दिया।
And we cut across to more breaking news coming in, where we tell you of how CGI has hailed the abrogation of Article 370. He said one constitution is a must for the unity of India, and he said that we unanimously accepted Parliament's decision on Article 370, where he said that the country is united even during crisis. Listen in.
आणि मला सांगायला आनंद होतो की नॉर्मली ज्युडिशियल प्रोनाउन्समेंट बद्दल आणि स्वतःच्या ज्युडिशियल प्रोनाउन्समेंट बद्दल आम्ही बोलू नये, परंतु ज्यावेळेला कलम 370 चा पार्लमेंटने ते रद्द केलं आणि आमच्या पुढे चॅलेंज करण्यात आलं आणि त्यावेळेला ज्यावेळेला हिअरिंग चालू होतं त्यावेळेला मी म्हटलं की बाबासाहेबांची संकल्पना होती की बाबासाहेब म्हणाले होते की आम्ही जसं अमेरिकेमध्ये प्रत्येक फेडरेशनची वेगळी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आहे आणि प्रत्येक राज्याची सुद्धा वेगळी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आहे, तिथे फक्त फार लिमिटेड असे सब्जेक्ट आहेत जे केंद्रीय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनद्वारे गव्हर्न होतात आणि फेडरल याला जास्त.
Anisha Mathur joining us on the phone line with further details on this statement put out by the CGI, Anisha, where he said it up front that Article 370 has integrated all of India and it is for the best of Jammu and Kashmir. And not just that, he's also said that one constitution is must for the unity of India.
Well, yes, Suresh, a clear statement coming in from the Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai. Remember, Justice Gavai was one of the 5 judges which upheld the validity of the abrogation of Article 370 in the judgment it passed in December 2023. And today, while inaugurating a statue of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Justice Gavai has quoted Ambedkar's stance on One India, One Constitution. He cited where what Ambedkar had said about not creating multiple identities in one country and not wanting a federal structure like the one that America has. A clear statement coming in from Justice Gavai about what prompted him to take the stand that he did in that judgment. And it is something, as he said, unusual, because judges normally do not speak about a judgment or the reasoning behind the judgment that they have once given. But here, Justice Gavai shifting from the norm and making a clear statement about why he gave the judgment that he did in the Article 370 case, but clearly giving the message that country must be governed by only one constitution. If you want a united country, it must have one constitution, and Article 370 was opposed by B.R. Ambedkar. Back to you.
Oh yes, a message that the naysayers must hear. I want to thank you, Anisha Rajput, for getting us those details.